Hi guys, Robert Barry here, coming to you tonight from my home office here in the Bahamas. And it's 11 minutes after 9, the 30th of March, 2020. And as you guys know, with all of us being confined to a home and the crisis that is happening around the world right now, so many persons are now looking for an extra stream of income while being confined at home. And I would just love to say to anyone that is on the fence of wanting to get into an online business, I think the time is now. Reason being, I think when this crisis has come to an end, a lot of persons' outlook on a regular or just a 9 to 5 is going to shift. So now is the time to capitalize on an online work from home business opportunity. Okay. And so the reason why I'm doing this video today, someone that partnered with me would have asked me a question. And of course, all of you know that whenever I am asked a question and I think the response or the answer to that question will be able to help as many persons out there that may view this video any point in time, I try to do so um, in a general forum. Okay, and so I want to pose the question. I'm going to repeat the question to you guys I will pose today, and then I want to get into responding to that question. Okay, and so the question that was posed to me was, what are some of my income producing activities that I carry out within my business on a daily basis? Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to list my 3 top income producing activities that I do within my business on a daily basis. And I'm going to break down each one so you guys can get a greater idea or a greater sense of how important it is to me and carrying out these 3 important income producing activities on a daily basis. All right. And so the question that was posed to me again was, what are some of my top income producing activities that I carry out on a daily basis? Okay. So the very first thing that I would do in my business is I would follow up. And a lot of persons are afraid of following up with persons, but the whole deal is, if you are not following up with persons that may have reached out to you that are interested in your business, how are you going to begin to close sales and reach your goals? Okay, the idea of coming in this online arena or this online space is to make money, help people, and reach your goals. How are you going to do that if you aren't reaching out to persons and following up with them and giving them the necessary information, also allowing them to ask you questions and you being able to answer these questions in a efficient way? Okay, we all know that, to me, the money is in the follow-up, and you have to be very careful on how the way you follow up with persons, your attitude, um, your presence in your social media sites. All of this, in some way, shape, and form, um, helps your follow up. But you cannot be afraid to answer questions. Maybe get on a quick phone call. Some persons, you can close them out over social media, email, etc., etc., etc. But you cannot run away from actually going ahead and following up with persons. For example, it's just like if you to walk in a typical grocery store or any store that has physical products that you can go and pull off of the shelf. You would have business associates walk up to you. Is there anything that I can help you with? Do you need help? And you can walk in a store, and multiple associates that are employed at that business establishment may walk up what may walk up to you at any point in time. And so it is the same way within your network marketing opportunity. You need to follow up. Okay. And that is my first income producing strategy that I implement in my business on a daily basis. Okay. My second point is video marketing. Okay. Video marketing. So we all know, and I will use Facebook for an example. We all know that Facebook is a search engine. Okay. So persons will come onto Facebook and type in your business. That's a search engine. And the one thing that I love about Facebook and video marketing is once you would have uploaded a video to Facebook, we all know that that video is going to be there for a lifetime. Now, there are tips and tricks that you can do on the back end that relates to marketing and getting your video ranked that will get your video seen. But at the same token, video marketing is going to, that video is going to be there for life. Okay. And so now, one of the downsides of posting and uploading a video to YouTube, typically the average video that has all of the bells and whistles won't pick up traction for at least 30 days. And so think of YouTube and video marketing as you depositing a check onto your bank account that may take anywhere from 7 to 30 days to clear before it actually gets into your bank account. And so don't think as video marketing as something that you may get traction from right away. I'm not saying that that does not happen, but typically the video that are uploaded to Facebook will not pick up any traction for about 30 days. I have uploaded videos to YouTube that got traction right away. I got 100 views, 200 views, and there were some videos up to this day that's been recorded way past the 30-day mark, and the views are down to a minimum. And so what you do is on the back, what is important as well as you loading up your YouTube videos are some of your tags, your headlines, what you say in your video will also determine where your video rank up there in terms of persons searching out your company or whatever it is that you would have posted to the YouTube. But video marketing is very unique in that, like I would have said before, the videos aren't going anywhere. The only thing they can do is help you. Now, you may have a lot of persons that are afraid to get in front of a camera. When I first came online, I was very afraid. I'm still not perfect at doing YouTube videos, but I do realize in order for me to get to the next step, I need to get uncomfortable. And so I'm now getting used to being uncomfortable and putting myself for you guys out there to see that I am making imperfect steps in order to reach my goal. And if I can do it, I am sure many of you guys that will be viewing this video at any point in time, you would probably do a better video than me. And that's straight up honest. And so, guys, I want you to get my point. If you aren't doing video marketing is something that you really need to get into. All right. Okay. Now, my final income producing strategy is, okay. Okay, my final income producing strategy, guys, is on all of your social media sites, whether it be LinkedIn, whether it be Twitter, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Instagram, whether it's Facebook. You must always and continually increase your following. And so I will use myself for an example. Every single day, I'm going to use Facebook. I am adding 15 to 20% on a daily basis as friends. And so as you guys can see, I am increasing the viewers to my personal Facebook page. I am inviting 15 to 20% into my personal space as it relates to having access to my Facebook wall every single day. And so what I'm doing at the end of the day is I'm growing the amount of persons that are able to see exactly what am I posting on a daily basis, whether it be a post of encouragement, whether it's a post of an income that I would have made, whether I'm out hanging around with my family on vacation, whatever it is that I decide to do, I am allowing 15 to 20 persons to come into my personal space daily. And that is something that you need to do on a daily basis in order to grow your business. That is probably this other outside of YouTube, that is probably the most important income producing strategy that one can possibly do in today's world in terms of advertising and putting your business out there if you're familiar with attraction marketing. And I will get into attraction marketing in another video sometime soon. And so, guys, as it relates to your growing your following, what I do on the flip side as well, um, if I go into my Facebook, into my friend section, I might see that you're not interacting with any of my posts. I'm sending you a message and you're not responding. I would go into my there's you guys can go into the app store, something that is a Facebook friend remover, where you can move a whole bunch of Facebook friends that aren't engaging with you, and you need to continually make space for persons that are going to engage with you. And in that aspect, you're refreshing your audience until you keep the wheel spinning, so to speak, if you guys can understand what it is that I am talking about. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are my three top income producing activities that I do on a daily basis. Okay. And so if you guys have any questions, any comments, I would encourage you to please leave them at the bottom of the video. I'm also going to leave the link for you guys to reach out to me on Facebook. And for anyone that is viewing this video at any point in time and you're on the fence about getting into an online marketing industry and you're interested in partnering with me, I will leave the link for that business at the very bottom of the video. And as a bonus, when you partner with me and my team, we give you our team cash blueprint. It's a 14-day blueprint that we give you once you partner with us for you guys to follow, that will help you get into profit mode. Once again, you guys be safe, and I hope that this video has been helpful to you guys. Please click the link to subscribe to my channel, and be sure to smash that bell so you guys will get notifications as to when I post fresh content to my video channel. My name is Robert Barry. You guys be blessed, and I will see you on another video shortly. Thank you.